The question is, do you need a course to learn affiliate marketing? The answer is, and what everyone knows is, you don't need a course to learn affiliate marketing, because what you want is to make money faster. So you need information to shorten the time it takes for you to get from not knowing how to do affiliate marketing to knowing how to do affiliate marketing and earning money from affiliate marketing. What you need is a plan, an action plan. And also what you need is a community, like the community that we call TAO over at Taking Action Online, where there are people like you and people like me trying to accomplish the same thing. Again, trying to learn what we don't know so we know it, or so that we can put it together or put the pieces together based upon a plan of action. Inside of the action plan, Philip Bowerman, the creator of Taking Action Online, has a fast track affiliate bootcamp. There's a link in the description. It will take you over and you can experience this fast track affiliate bootcamp 100% for free, where he takes you through the steps that you need to understand and introduces you to the action plan that will take you through the steps you need to know. And the steps that you need to know are broken down into 7 steps. Niche simplicity, rock solid foundations, choosing your path to success, conversion optimized deployment, irresistible lead magnet, email marketing bootcamp, and then step 7, once you've laid all those foundational steps, it's time to launch. Time to launch yourself into the world of affiliate marketing, where you can start making money online. The next question is, how long is it going to take you to start making a specific amount of money? Usually this is, or the question is, how long will it take me to start making $100 a day? Back inside of Taking Action Online, Philip has created the Marketing Academy, a 180-day implementation plan. This is your journey to $100 a day. After you completed the 7 steps, you walk through weeks 1 and 2, weeks 3 and 4, weeks 5 and 6, and you can see each one of these is where Philip is going to take you and show you step by step what you need to do now that you've laid the foundation after you've made it through the 7 steps and have built the foundations of a real online business. Then he moves through the implementation plan all the way down to weeks 23 and 24, and then takes you through weeks 25 and 26. Step by step, along the way, a guided journey through exactly what you need, to include the community support that you get here in the community feed from everyone else that is working their way through the action plan, that is working their way through the Marketing Academy, sharing their experiences, supporting each other as we all work to accomplish the same goal. It's not about, do you need a course to learn how to do affiliate marketing? Absolutely, you do not need a course to learn how to do affiliate marketing. All that information is freely and readily available on the internet. I have all the steps right here on my YouTube channel of exactly what you need to do. But what you want is to get from point A to B, point A to B being making money online, and you want to understand, or you want to see other people and get support as you do it, because the need is not for a course to learn how to do affiliate marketing. The need is for you to shorten the amount of time it takes you to build out the foundations of a real profitable online business and get the support from the people that have done what it is you want to do, as well as a community of people that are working every day to do the same thing that you want to do, and that's make money online as an affiliate marketer. Link in the description. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.